This is the Rizzdeek high-speed hair dryer, and let's take a look. It comes with this really nice carry bag, and all right, inside, let's see how it looks. It's nice and small. It's relatively lightweight, but doesn't feel cheap. You can see there is a reset and test button, and on the back, it's got your temperatures and then 3 power levels. So let's try it out. Okay, this is what it sounds like at the lowest level. You can see it's yellow, red, blue. So there's like a green for cool, yellow for kind of a medium heat, and red for hot. And then that's a pretty that did not take long at all. So it comes with 2 magnetic attachments, one for straight drying and one for a diffuser for curly hair. So it's great for straightening your hair, just using a brush, and then the angled piece, which is really nice. And because I also have semi-curly hair, I love the diffuser option. So all in all, I think this is a great hair dryer set.